Welcome guys, Harpreet here. In this video we will learn addition consequences. Opinion oriented words can act as connectors. I believe, I admit, in my opinion, I agree, I disagree, I think, in my point of view, and plus, furthermore, moreover, in addition, and also. Next, as well as soon as, afterwards, however, although, nevertheless, despite, whereas, otherwise, because, due to, in order to. Furthermore, therefore, as a result, consequently, so, and last one is as. Thank you so much guys for watching this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.